Want to update your Deepseek into the dark mode and you are struggling how to do it? Don't worry, I'll guide you through the process. Using Deepseek Dark Mode is super simple. Let's dive right in. First, open the Deepseek app. Click on the top left corner. Tap on your profile. Here, you can see the appearance right here. Tap on it. You can find dark right here. Select the dark. As you can see, your system has been changed to the dark mode. If you want to change it to the system, click on system and it will automatically change throughout the day in dark and light mode. Super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.